When you think about the brain, what do you think about?
The brain is a vast and complex subject with many details that have yet to be discovered.
Which is why reverse engineering the brain has been presented as a grand challenge.
Reverse engineering the brain is the process of learning about the different components of the brain, how they function, and how they interact with each other.
The journey has already begun through research programs such as the Human Brain Project that utilizes neuroinformatics and brain simulations to discover information on the brain.
The Blue Brain Project is working towards creating a virtual brain on a supercomputer for neuroscientists to analyze and gain a better understanding of the brain.
Reverse engineering the brain will continue to be a grand challenge for a while because of the complexity and overall grand detail of the brain.
Reverse engineering the brain doesn't have to be completed by a certain date, but if the challenge is not solved soon, it will continue to negatively affect the world.
Especially about brain diseases that don't have a cure.
Research is already underway, but can more be done?
Our world is powered by technology, allowing us to be more connected than ever. So why not utilize this to learn more about our brain?
By using disruptive technologies such as mobile internet, the cloud, and advanced materials, imagine an app that could connect to a hat that functions as a brain monitor.
A new way of understanding your brain activity would be possible, and all data will go to the cloud to help research programs.
This scenario could solve a large portion of reverse engineering the brain by collecting diverse and unique data on brain activity.
When the grand challenge is solved, a whole new world of opportunities open up for everyone.
With more information on the brain, scientists and surgeons would be able to repair the areas of the brain which have been destroyed by diseases or create fully functional prosthetic limbs.
Computers and other devices would be implemented with technology that mimics the brain, resulting in computers that can think faster and better than humans.
Reverse engineering the brain will transform our world forever, making life easier and more efficient for everyone.
A world where the brain has been reverse engineered may seem far away, but with the amount of research already done, we could reach the goal within this century.
A smarter world is a happier world.
What we're looking for.
The world has become so fragile that we cannot subject the earth to the tortures we can now inflict upon it. We are actually tampering with the climate of the earth and with the very atmosphere that we breathe. Not only are we piling in more and more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, but we are chopping down the forests of the earth at a great rate. And these problems are life and death problems. They go to the root of the viability of the planet itself, making the earth a lot less livable. We are facing problems that transcend nations. When we talk about the greenhouse effect, we're talking about something that affects the entire Earth. All human beings are facing the same problems. It is important that the world get together to face the problems which attack us as a unit. The problems with the ocean, with the atmosphere, with the population, with pollution. The only way we can solve a problem is by a human solution, a cooperative solution. There's one thing that is biologically certain about the human species is that it is a human species, one species. To fight? Who is going to lead in the direction? Never can we sit back and wait for miracles to save us. Miracles don't happen. Sweat happens. Efforts happen. Thought happens. And It's up to us to help have all that happen.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, bella ciao, bella ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor.
Oh partigiano, portami via. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via. E mi sento di morire. E se io muoio da partigiano, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire. E seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fiore. Le genti che passeranno, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E le genti che passeranno, mi diranno che bel fiore. E le genti che passeranno, mi diranno che bel fiore.
Le genti che passeranno, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E le genti che passeranno, oh, mi diranno che bel fior.
Está todo en las paredes. Nos tenemos que
Questo è il fiore del partigiano. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E questo è il fiore